Hey, hi, welcome to Pi Acharya. This is me, Rishiraj Acharya, and in this new channel, I will walk you through the world of machine learning. If you find the content interesting, please do hit the subscribe button. That will really help me keep up with the contents, and you'll also get informed when I post a new video. So, let's quickly answer what machine learning really is. So, machine learning is like a sub branch of artificial intelligence, but the main focus here is to make one piece of code solve many problems. Let me give you an example. A popular example of a machine learning model is the game engine called AlphaGo. AlphaGo can learn and solve various strategic games. So machine learning is really the art of making computers learn from previous experiences and supplying it with lots of examples. Let me give you an example of a day-to-day task which becomes really difficult to solve without machine learning. Suppose you have been given the task to differentiate between a banana and a cucumber, or say an apple and an orange. How will you do it? For the banana cucumber example, you will probably take color data from the pixels as input. If there's more of yellow pixels, then it's probably banana, and if there's more of or green pixels, then it's probably a cucumber. However, this approach might fail since not all bananas are yellow, right? There's green bananas as well. And what will you do if you have been given black and white image? Then you have to write different set of rules again. So this approach becomes hectic. A better approach is if we let the computer decide and find out rules of itself. This is called machine learning. To make the computer start thinking of rules, we need to train something known as classifier. A classifier is really a function that takes some input as features and then gives an output as labels. The art of making a computer create a classifier automatically by supplying it with lots of previous examples is known as supervised learning. In these future videos, to code we'll use open source libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow. However, in the initial videos, I plan on using scikit-learn since it comes readily available with Anaconda. Just install Anaconda and you can import scikit-learn. So that's it for this video. In next video, I'll make you code your first machine learning model in just hardly 5 to 6 steps. So till then, please click the like button if you like this video and have a nice day.